Hello everybody, today's video is going to be a little mini Dollar Tree haul. I wanted to show you a few items that I found that I thought were super cute that I haven't seen, but maybe somebody else already hauled it and I'm just not aware of them. The Dollar Tree, look at this little basket for Easter. They had this pink one and it has, you can see the bunny, the little chick, and the little duck. I think it's or they could be little chicks, both of them. And it has like this basket thing here, and then they had this purple one with the painting bunnies and what is this, a gnome and the Easter egg. Then they had a blue one, which I should have gotten a picture of when we were at the store, but it had like sea animals. And then they had this green one, which is like sports, baseball, soccer, like trophies and whistles, timer. And I thought it was really nice, and it's see-through. It's a good quality plastic. It's not like it's going to brittle or anything. I also found this on the Craft Square, the sewing doll. And this is like a panda, and it's like a little plushie for you to make. Also, an alpaca, and this is sequency. Then there's, look at, you can see the sequence right on there. Then I found this embroidery hoop with, there were also a fluffy owl and a sequency owl, but I didn't like them. Then I had this embroidery hoop kit, which has those strawberries. Then I saw another one with the mushroom, and this one with the hedgehog, and they had another one with a leaf, and one other one. I can't remember what was the thing. It includes everything, the needle, each color of thread, and then the hoop. It's a good size hoop. I thought it was going to be smaller. I did saw it on TikTok one time, and I got those. I was happy to find these because we are in spring break, and these are nice little sit-down activities that your kids could have. My daughters also grabbed one of these. It's those bunny ones. They used to have another one before. Look, you see the ball just hopped out way before when they were younger, and the bunny was bigger, and I remember getting it from the Dollar Tree as well. But that's the purpose of the bunny. I also got this other one, the color your own decor. It has two of them, and it's handy because I have two daughters, so it's one per two assembles. Is the bunny with the egg decorating. I also got this one, which I also saw on a TikTok. This was the only one that was there, which I was lucky to find. It's like a Lego, but it's called Make It Blocks. Construction blocks. It's 109 pieces. Compatible, it says. Compatible. Find all the leading brands, and these were the choices. You can see they have like thinking this is a lavender, a lily, maybe roses. I found the white one. I'm gonna give it a go. I also got these gums, these canels. Canels. I think of Mexico when I see these gums. I also got these elastics and these pretty colors for my daughters. We only have blacks, and I thought to get these ones. Look at that one. That's one of my silly girls. Leila got one of these goldfish. And then I got one of these Cheeto Crunchy Cheddar Jalapenos. And that is it, I think. That's all the things that I got. But the main one was the craft things. And then the buckets. Very nice. Other than that, that is our mean little Dollar Tree haul. Thank you guys for watching. I got these at the dollar store. Cotton candy basket filler. But it's like cotton candy. And it has 3. And it's like this. It looks like this. So it has pink, green, and blue cotton candies. It's a good amount. Then I got these little baggies at the 99-cent store. So you can see Layla already put her name and then the baggie. And then this was the other design. They were 99 cents. It included 20 pieces. And it's a good of a baggie. Like either you can put candy or something else. There's that design. And then there's this design. And that's going to be their goodie bags. That's for Easter for school. The little candy. You can literally like just can gift them that, but it's a little bit more personalized and handy if they have the little baggie. They can put her name, and that it's basically it for a Easter class goodie bag, cotton candy basket fillers. I got this very early in the Easter things that they were bringing out, so I don't know if you would be able to get them. Easter this year is a little bit late. I did go to the 99-cent store and they had a bunch of Easter stuff still, so yeah, go and check it out at the 99 cents or at the Dollar Tree. And that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy Easter, you guys.